Alright, this is a sketch for this episode. As you can see over here, I changed the pins of my Bluetooth serial communication to adapt to the new microcontroller and Bluetooth module, the XB. I add new variables that you'll see them being used later on below. Over here, I initiate both serial communications at 9600 baud rates, and I attach the rudder to the new pin, which is 5 now. I initiate every loop by checking the flood sensor over here on these two if conditions. Because the interrupt pin of the Arduino is being used by the serial connection with the XB module, so I cannot use the interrupt hardware to check on the state of the flood sensor. Then, on this while function, I retrieve the data sent by the cell phone via Bluetooth and store it on the variable data. So then we enter the switch block over here. All of this belongs to the switch block. This switch block uses the variable data, which is the order I sent from the cell phone. In the first case, if I press the up arrow, which represents the capital F letter, I will increment the propeller speed by 100. If the propeller speed goes above 200, which the maximum PWM is 250, I don't need it to go 250. 200 is enough for the speed. If I need more, I'll later on add more. But for now, 200 is enough. And but if it does go over 200, I repopulate the variable with the value 200. Then I write that value, the determined value, to the propeller over here, and turn on the front direction pin of the H bridge. Now, in case I press the down arrow, all I do is repopulate the propeller speed variable with 0, turning it off with this command over here, and turning the pin of the H bridge off too. So in case I turn either left or right on the arrows, what they will do is either increment or decrement the value of the rudder position by 10. Now I move the rudder with the for loop just to make the movement a little bit smoother and to stabilize the boat while it's turning. Over here on this condition is in case I press the circle of the command, the rudder will go straight to the rudder center over here, and I will change the variable of the rudder position accordingly. I will repopulate it with the rudder center value. Sorry. Now, the last case is actually a happy accident that came with the switching of the boards. This shield came with a buzzer, and this is where I activate the buzzer. Let's hear how it sounds